Welcome, in front of me I have MEDIATEK KT107 and today I'll show you how you can find and manage sound settings. Let's go for the settings. Right now scroll down to sound. And at first we can change volume of the media, alarm and ringtone by moving these switchers like that. We can activate or deactivate vibration for calls. We can manage the do not disturb mode, so we can turn it on or turn it off. We can change phone ringtone. The same for the default notification ringtone. And also for the alarm. Here we got the other sounds. For example, charging sounds, vibrate on the top. So we can adjust by tapping on the switchers. And at the bottom we can find sound enhancement. And there is the bass loudness volume booster for speaker. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.